everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me today. When I shared the botanical journal that I completed recently, I shared this pocket. Now it's nothing new, I learnt this when I used to make a lot of cards. You can actually turn it into a card if you use cardstock when you're making it. But one of my ladies who follows me asked if I would do a quick tutorial on it. So I'm just going to quickly take out all of the contents, and then you can see it situated within a journal. So there you go. It's a really great way of using up double-sided scrapbooking paper, which is what I've done here. But you can also, and you've got a pocket there, 1, pocket there 2, pocket there 3, and a pocket there 4. Okay, and you can also just use plain paper, you know, your coffee or your tea dyed. It works best with double-sided, whether it be patterned or plain. So I'm going to show you with just a sheet of coffee dyed paper. Now the principle of how I make it is the same whether I use this size, which is A4, or I could use a small book page. Okay, doesn't matter, the principle's the same. So you get your A4 sheet, and I'm going to show you the method where you don't need any measuring at all, and it's the same principle. You just need a rectangular sheet of paper. So first of all, you fold it in half, top, you know, on the short side. Okay, it doesn't really matter if it's not perfect. Okay, and score it, and then fold it top to bottom. So you're folding it in half. So yeah, folding it in half both ways. I thought I was folding it back the same way then. Okay, so then you've got 4 score marks. Okay, now it doesn't really matter which way around you do it, you can always adjust it, but what you want to do is cut along one of the central score lines. So on the you know, with the tall side up. So I'm just going to cut along that score line to the centre point where the 2 score lines meet. Okay, alright, then you just basically fold it up. It's absolutely so easy. So what you need to do first of all is go from left to right there, okay, and then top to bottom, bottom to top rather, and then this bit here you fold around the back. Now if you're making a card, that's how you make your card, because you've got that. Okay, so and then just refold everything so that it's kind of even, although it doesn't really matter if it's not perfect. Okay, so how to get your pockets. So what you want to do, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Okay, so the back one here you're going to glue into your journal. Okay, so then you've got 3 flaps, 1, 2, 3, and each one of those you just want to fold the back in. So fold 1 right from the corner, and as I say, I'm not measuring it, I'm just doing it right from the corner and folding it in on itself. Okay, and then the next one kind of just go down a little bit, maybe, I don't know, ½ inch, ¼ inch, and again just fold it inside and use the edges where you've folded as a guideline. But again, if it's not 100% straight, don't worry about it. If it's for a journal, nothing needs to be perfect, and press it. Okay, and then you've got 2, and then you do the same with the very back one. Okay, and that then gives you 3 staggered pockets. Okay, so if I just get something to show you. So we've got 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and then where you've got the back, you can slide down there. Now, here are your options. What you can do, you can glue on 4 sides on the back, so that then when it's in, you can slide something down the back, or you can just glue it on 3 sides and then you can come in from the side. And the same with these as well, you can leave them open, okay, like that, or you can glue them and have them as, you know, full pockets. What I did on mine, let me try and remember what I did. So on mine what I did was I tend to glue the little triangles down so that they don't get in the way. Okay, and then as you unfold it all, I like to glue the back one on as well, just along the bottom. I did it a lot just along the bottom. Okay, so that's how you do them. Then you would just go about decorating it however you like. You can stamp on them, you can stencil on them. If I show you mine again in my journal, yeah, I've left it open there. So what I've done here is I've left that pocket open, that pocket open, that pocket open, and I've just glued the back. Now what you can do here with this front bit, you can also have it that way if you want. Alright, so that you've got a nice fold there to decorate as well. It's absolutely up to you. You could even have it like that and leave it down, maybe tuck it under a butterfly, and then you've got a flip up to journal on as well. So many different ideas, but that is the very basics of how you would do that. Let me just fold it so that it's neat. Okay, I'm going to tuck it back in that way. And that is how you do that pocket. So if you want me to, I'll show you one more time. Okay, let me move all of these, and this time I'm using double-sided A4 size you know, scrapbooking paper. So fold it in half on the shop, and then fold it in half the other way, so that you've got 4 rectangular panels. Then simply cut from left to right to the centre. And also, if you just play with how you fold it, you could have it so the tucks are in the other side. Okay, you can literally do whatever you like. Right, so left to right, and then fold it from bottom to top. And then this flap goes around the back. Okay, then you've got one flap there. Okay, 2 flaps which I'm going to fold in. This is the third one, and this is the good part of having double-sided scrapbooking paper, because then you can see the different you know, sides of it, and you're getting a nice decorative pocket. Okay, and then this is the back one. Like I say, you glue that. What I do is I do just glue the bottom there, just to make it a complete pocket. Okay, so there you go. I think you've got the gist of that. Go and have some fun. You can decorate them, you can do what you want with them, make them in advance, and have them in your ephemera box ready for when you're journaling. They're also a great thing that you could decorate, fill with tags, and swap with your crafty friends. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.